Today's look has to be one of my favorites, if not the favorite. I have my signature way of doing the reverse smoky eye with Q-tips. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Let's even out the base on the lid. For that, I'm going to be priming it using a concealer. This is the Milani concealer in 135. And then I'm going to lightly set it with a loose powder. I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix. So for this, I'll need a small piece of sticky tape. You can use any tape that you have. You can use a cello tape. You can also use a paper tape. I'm taking a small piece and I'm going to stick it on my palm a couple times to remove the extra stickiness because I want it to be really gentle on my skin. And I'm going to stick it in the outer corner as an extension of my lower lash line. And usually I stick it facing downwards. This time it's going to be upwards. You don't need any makeup brushes for this reverse smoky eye. All you need is a Q-tip and some black eyeshadow. I'm using this one from the Morphe 35F palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have. I'm going to dip the Q-tip in it, saturate it at the very tip, and I'm going to start smoking this in my lower lash line. And as I come to the outer corner near the sticky tape, I'm going to start pushing the eyeshadow outwards so it tapers into a sharp wing. I'm taking a little bit more of the black eyeshadow, and with the same Q-tip, I'm going to smoke it out in my top lash line as well. Nice thing about using a Q-tip is the cotton in the Q-tip softens the edges of your eyeshadow so it naturally looks smoky. Let's go ahead and remove the tape, and you can see how beautiful and sharp that wing looks, and that reverse smoky eye is on point. It literally took less than 5 minutes to finish this because I didn't have to worry about getting those sharp edges. The tape took care of that, and I didn't have to worry about blending anything in because the Q-tip took care of that, so it's really quick and easy. Now let's add the finishing touches. First, I'm going to tightline my waterline using the Jordana Easy Liner in black. The quickest way to use glitter is to use a pressed glitter or a liquid glitter, and today I'm going to be using this liquid glitter from Pixi. I'm going to apply it like a liner in my top lash line using the applicator. You can leave it at this if you like, it looks very pretty, but I will disperse this glitter. So I'm going to use my finger to almost start moving it upwards and outwards. And now to finish up, I'm going to curl my lashes, apply a coat of mascara. I'm using the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. And for false lashes, I'm using Pixi from Black Label. And here is the completed look. This has to be my most favorite look that I've ever created. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand